disappear behind the pile of snow. Very cool. Can't even tell who she is because she's wearing that white coat. And she's trying to make it up the steps. Oh, she gave up. Here she comes, patting the snow.
Okay, bye.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this. We're gonna see. There's Tony. Got up, doing some work. Then we got Dad using the leaf blower to snow out the cars. And there's Aaron again.
Hey, there's kids playing in the snow. Wait, I want to get the deck really quick. And let's see if we can go on the downstairs deck. Oh. Yeah. I don't think that's gonna happen.